project, Smart Souvenir is an augmented reality app to create or experience memories. In first check-in, I delivered the milestone by overlaying users' images over the fridge magnet. For check-in 2, my focus is to design a easy and a simple user experience. The visual aspect of app will be covered in the next check-in. I started by incorporating and revising my first version of Gantt chart. The new task related to user experience was added to improve the UI of a smart souvenir app. For designing better UX, I start brainstorming with pen and paper and later created task flow on whiteboard. For first paper prototype and user testing, the users were asked to navigate from the bunch of screens and self-design their custom app navigation experience. The results of testings were unusual because most of the users just use 50% of the screen in order to reach the desired result. For next paper prototyping testing, I focused on designing the task for user to make the navigation process easier in order to design more engaging user testing experience. I created phone case with Illustrator and laser cutting machine so the user feel more engaged with the user testing. All the screens for users were now well connected this time. Here are some user feedbacks obtained from our first user testing. So, how was your experience?
Great, pretty good. I would like to see it in action actually.
Do you like the process? Is it the process is clear?
I think it's a little long for me. I always skip the boring initial steps because I know how to use the app normally, or the pictures or the icons usually help like show me what the app does already. But I guess the small tutorial helps anyways for the people who don't know.
Okay, cool. And would you like to install an application like this on your phone?
I would, yeah. Hope it works with my Google Home or something like that. It'd be nice.
And like how often will you use it?
Maybe like every evening or every other evening when I get home.
Okay, prototype.
I like that application. The two things that weren't apparent to me was like the icons. Like I don't know which icons were clickable. I thought you're just supposed to click what's like main on the screen, you know? And you also don't know which ones are buttons. And me personally, I like one layout more than the other, which is this layout.
All right.
Yeah. And
Will you use this application?
Yes.
I mean, why will you use this application?
I think what I did is I first took the pictures, arranged it,
Hmm.
and then I scanned to the same place and I got all those pictures back again as to see, and then there were few options for me. Like I remember Twitter, when I clicked the Twitter, relevant to that picture, few updates were available.
Okay. And will you install this app on your phone?
Well, right now I don't find any use how I'm going to use this,
Okay.
but maybe since a lot of pictures are involved, so maybe at some point of day I would like to go and refresh some memories,
Okay.
or maybe not even in a day, maybe in a week for sure. We scroll our galleries,
Okay.
right? So
And
yeah.
if you have like these kind of application in your phone, like how often you will see those memories on your, maybe on your fridge?
Maybe at least once a week. No, at least.
Okay, once. On the basis of user crucial feedbacks, a digital version or prototype were created in Figma and again shared with users to test it. After gathering important inputs from user, I worked on creating the UI elements in 3D game engine. I learned how to toggle between different screens, how to create elements in Canvas, and try to achieve it for my project. For third check-in, my focus is following. Images overlay over target image will be connected from URL, so user don't have to manually upload the photos for target image. Second, connecting the live API weather and Twitter feeds over the overlaid images of users. Third, try to work on the visual design aspect of application. Fourth, packing the application and upload it on the Play Store.